As a demonstration, I'll be importing this sword I downloaded from a website. Before starting this, I should state that your imported model with this method will not look exactly like Blender Preview on Roblox Studio, since they use different rendering methods. This is about importing materials from Blender models. A separate video about exporting textures which look like the Blender previews will arrive later. You first need to set up a material with PBR properties. Add a principled BSDF as a first step, and then connect the 4 image textures like how it's done here. Add a normal map with the normal map object before connecting. With image textures, you can click the file icon to use an image as the source. The setup is pretty basic, even if you just copy the one on the screen, so I won't go into its details. You don't need the part marked as mapping. After setting the material up, there are some settings to do while exporting. Before starting, if you experience any issues, go to File, and then External Data. From there, click on Pack Resources. You probably will not need this, but if you do, come back to this spot. Select File and then Export. Select FBX from there, and then a window will open. Select Copy from Path Mode Selection, and then click on the box icon near the drop-down. Select the Custom Properties and Include section, which isn't needed necessarily, however in some cases it might help. If you are using Studs Import, which is default, set the scale as 0.01, so it will be at the same size. And then export the model. To import the model, click on the Import 3D button which is in Avatar tab. Select your file, and then click Open from your File Explorer. You will see a similar window to this. You can change the settings you want from here, but by default you don't need to change anything. In File Geometry, you can see the scale unit. If you use the 0.01 scale, select Studs. Otherwise select the one you are using in Blender. After you are done, click on Import. The upload process might take some time depending on your internet speed. You will see your model after it is imported. The materials are here, however as you can see, it doesn't look like how it looks in Blender. This is because we exported materials and did not make a baked texture. If you want to do that, a separate video will arrive for that, and will be put in video cards and description when available. For the material part, as you can see from the Explorer, every material from Blender is perfectly in place. That was it for this video. Hope you understood. See you in another one.